Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the startup time extremely slow on Windows 11. Now, there's a few different things you can try, and the first one is by coming up to the search box here and searching out for Control Panel. It should come best match here, let's select it. Then we want Hardware and Sound, and then Power Options. Then on the left hand side we want to choose what the power button does, and at the bottom here you can see turn on fast startup. If it's unchecked, you want to check this. If it's greyed out like this, what you need to do is select change settings that are currently unavailable, and you want to turn this on. Make sure it's ticked. You can also have hibernate as well turned on. So what this does is actually hibernates your PC, so when you turn it back on, it quickly starts up. Once you've turned them on, press Save Changes. But if you're not seeing these settings, what we can do is we can come to the search box here and type CM, and you should see command prompts pop up. So let's select that here. And now we want to type out power CFG space / hibernate space on. Then you want to press enter. Once this carries out the process, you then want to restart your computer, and them settings, what we've just turned on in the power options, should be there. So that's the first step to take, and also if the step isn't available for you, how to turn it on. Now the second one I recommend doing is right clicking on your Windows taskbar here and coming up to Task Manager, and on the left hand side you'll see Startup Apps. We want to go into that, and these are all the startup apps what are starting on startup. If you have a large list, then the chances are your Windows PC will be slow to start, because it has to start all these applications. So if they're on, it'll say enabled, and this means they're actually starting up. And here you'll see startup impact. You can see some of these are low, but this one here, Microsoft Edge, is high. So you may want to turn this off and see if it has any impact. So all you need to do is right click and disable. And you see now it says disabled. So now when you restart your computer, Microsoft Edge won't be starting, and hopefully that'll speed up your computer. So go through this list and disable anything that you don't need starting up on startup. This action alone can really speed up your Windows 11 PC. Really take your time and think, do you actually need some of these items starting up? If you find something on the list what you think, I actually don't use that anymore, what you can do, we can come out of this, we can go to the start menu, we can come up to our settings here in our pin section. If for any reason you don't have your settings within the pin section, you can simply search for settings here in the top search box. Then we can come to apps on the left hand side here, and then we want installed apps here at the very top. And here are all the installed apps. So let's say for instance I saw Audacity on that list and I no longer use it. You can press these three little lines here and simply select uninstall. Some will let you select advanced options like this one here. Come down to background app permissions and select never. So it won't be allowed to run in the background unless you start it up. It could be a little bit slower starting up. However, if you want that fast start up for your Windows 11 PC, it's recommended to start turning all these applications off. Now once we've done that, again restart your computer after each one of these steps to see if you're getting any improvement. We can go back over to the command prompt. Let's search for it again with CO. Let's open up command prompt. Now you want to type in SFC, a space, then /, then scan now, no space between the / and the scan now needs to all be together. Press enter and this will take some time and it will scan your computer for any issues. Once it's complete, restart your PC and see if this gives you the boost. It should find any errors and fix them if it does. Now once you've carried out all these steps, your Windows 11 PC should be a lot quicker. Now if you're still having trouble and it's slow, you need to make sure that you have enough memory, your graphics card's up to scratch, and also make sure you see if there's any updates for your graphics card or your BIOS, because Windows 11 is a little bit power hungry. So once we've carried out all them tasks, you should see a vast improvement with the startup on Windows 11. However, there's next steps to take is actually inside your PC. You need to make sure you have enough memory and your graphics card is up to scratch. So those little fixes hopefully fix your startup time when it's extremely slow within Windows 11. If it does, let us all know in the comments below, or if you have any other tips that you have done to make your startup time extremely quicker, let us know in them comments. I'm sure everyone will be happy to see them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.